With ACE, we've been having a relationship for more than 15 years. We started with one machine, and right now we are almost having 30 plus machines with ACE. And the experience with ACE is really good, and the service support is amazing. Their network of all the technicians available is very good actually. And every time they come up with some kind of a new products and innovation, and today we saw this machine.
Sir, this machine basically has two opposing spindles.
Okay.
Standard is 825, 165 chakka.
Okay.
As an option, we can give 200 and 826 also. So what happens is this turret does the first operation. And if it's a bar component, it will be fed from the bar feeder. After doing the operation, this spindle will come forward
Okay.
and catch the component.
So when the first operation is getting
Completed.
this will automatically come
After the first operation is completed, this will come and catch.
Okay.
Then synchronize and go back.
Oh, okay.
Then this will again continue with the first operation. This will continue with the second operation. So non-stop it goes with bar feeding. So this is the component we did. So once you do the first operation, so this will come and clamp here.
Okay.
And then you do the parting.
Okay, after this gets thick and
Together it will synchronize and it will do the parting.
Okay.
And then this will take it back. Then you do this operation.
Okay. And once that is done, and then this
will throw it into this part catcher.
Okay.
And that will come out and you can collect it from here.
Oh, that's cool. Very good.
No, continuous pointer. So you don't need an operator, you don't need a robo, you don't need a gantry.
So once that's synchronized, so
It's control goes.
Okay.
Yes.
You just have to monitor.
So
And then the tool life and everything.
okay, you can put the parts count and you can do it. And if it's a checking component, you put a wall in between.
Okay.
So guarding has to be slightly modified. So you put a guard in the center. This particular machine, you want a slightly bigger component, you can make it bigger component.
Okay.
So 200 checking in, 200 set.
For this thing, bar start into the okay.
We can do it.
But for the cast iron, minimum 200.
Yeah, 7.5 power, 8 to 6 spindle.
Okay, so you can configure that.
We can do it, So basically it is for operation 1, operation 2.
Yeah, no, we have a similar components which we have. Operation 1 and then operation 2.
Yeah, this is a bit. So you don't require an operator, sir.
Oh, you can make a double door.
No, that's what I'm saying. So once you want checking components in between, you put a door. So the door will open and close. Or you can use the same operation also if you want.
This is very, very nice actually. We just have to monitor and ensure.
Correct. And you put a parts count, tool life can be changed.
Okay.
And because it is aligned in assembly,
Same
accuracy is good when you clamp it because it is not disturbed. All servo, LM gauge, and this is the roller gauge actually.
Same.
A little bit heavy also. Ball screw, precision ball screw.
It's kind of like right now we are facing so much of labor issues and productivity issues, and I think this is one of the best solutions where we can really utilize for our industries, because especially it will save a lot of manpower.